Have you ever faced rejection that later turned out to be a blessing in disguise? Today we embark on a journey inspired by the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius, exploring the art of turning rejection into triumph. Imagine a world where every no doesn't deter you, but propels you forward. Rejection, often associated with pain, can actually pave the way for greatness. It's about understanding that sometimes rejection is an invitation to something better. Feeling unnoticed or underappreciated. It's time to rewrite the narrative. In this discourse, we'll delve into 13 lessons designed to harness the power of rejection, grounded in real-life experiences. Before we delve into the lessons, let's spread this wisdom. Engage by hitting the like button and ringing the notification bell. Your interaction signals value in our shared insights. Now let's embark on this transformative journey together. Lesson 1. Disregard them too. When faced with indifference, rise above it. Ignoring those who ignore you is a powerful affirmation of your self-worth. Redirect your focus to your goals and happiness, using rejection as fuel for personal growth. Lesson 2. Don't react emotionally. Stoicism teaches us to embrace a thoughtful response over impulsive reactions. Focus on your actions and responses, not others' behaviors, mastering calmness in the face of rejection. Lesson 3. Remove them from your mind. Acknowledge rejection's impact without letting it consume you. View rejection as a detour sign guiding you toward new opportunities. Lesson 4. Demonstrate your value. Use rejection as an opportunity to showcase your resilience. Highlight your skills through meaningful projects, recognizing that rejection redirects you to opportunities aligned with your talents. Lesson 5. Cut off contact. Embrace silence as a strategic reset. Maintain emotional distance to assert your value and prioritize your well-being. Lesson 6. Prove them wrong. Commit to surpassing perceived limitations, silently demonstrating your competence and determination. Lesson 7. Go out and have fun. Embrace joy as an act of resilience, pursuing experiences that bring fulfillment despite rejection. Lesson 8. Build your social status. Focus on self-improvement and meaningful connections, weaving a tapestry of meaningful relationships. Lesson 9. Act as if they don't exist. Redirect your focus to those who value your presence, maintaining professionalism in unavoidable interactions. Lesson 10. Give them the silent treatment. Preserve your inner peace through deliberate introspection, using silence as an opportunity for personal growth. Lesson 11. Don't beg for attention. Cultivate inner fulfillment through personal growth, resisting the temptation to seek external validation. Lesson 12. Be kind but emotionally distant. Treat others with respect while guarding your emotional well-being, embracing empathy without sacrificing self-respect. Lesson 13. Don't reveal your struggle. Maintain composure in the face of adversity, embodying stoic resilience and self-assurance. In conclusion, embracing rejection as a catalyst for growth transforms setbacks into opportunities. Stay stoic and emerge stronger, wiser, and more self-assured.